In this video, I will show you how to fix the matchmaking error in Fortnite Rocket Racing. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm here and I've got Fortnite Rocket Racing loaded through. I'm just currently in the lobby. Now there's currently a glitch where sometimes when you try to go into a game, the matchmaking process doesn't work, and for some reason it comes with an error, as you can see on screen now, which is error number 1. So it seems like this is just a glitch, but what you're going to want to do for now is if you actually just try restarting the game, that should actually reset the servers and allow you to join a game on Fortnite Rocket Racing. So I believe Epic Games is aware of the issue and they're currently working on updates to resolve this problem, but for now the best fix I've found is to just simply come out of the game and restart it. By doing this, I've had success quite a few times at getting into Rocket Racing on Fortnite. So that is how to go ahead and fix the matchmaking error in Fortnite Rocket Racing. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.